Hi everyone, this is the design I'm going to be working on today. So if you want to learn how, then keep on watching. So you're going to start out with a white, and I'm using this one by Milani. It's just called white. You're going to need 3 watercolor colors. I'm using a pink, a blue, and a yellow. A small detail brush, and you can find this at craft stores. I've got some water on the side and also a napkin to dry my brush in between the color pickup, and a good base and top coat, and that is it, you guys. So let's get started. You can see that every nail has a different pattern, and it's really up to you how you want to make this design. So what you're going to do first is you're going to pick up a little bit of that blue on your brush. So dip it into the water and then into the blue color, and it's up to you where you put the blue. As you can see on some nails, I put it up at the top towards the cuticle, some at the bottom, top, bottom, so I didn't want them all the same. Okay, so I'm gonna get my blue, and I've established that I'm going to put my blue pattern up in this corner, and you really want a nice definition of that blue, so you might have to go back into the color and load your brush up, fill that entire corner, maybe bring it up a little bit more, and give that a second to dry. Next I'm going to go ahead and pick up some of that pink, and with the pink I'm going to cover the rest of the nail. And the last color I'm going to pick up is the bright yellow. Taking your yellow, you're going to drop it into the pink. You really want to make sure your brush is nice and wet for this, so that the colors will merge together. Sometimes you might have to go back into the pink and just drop some of that pink, and you can also turn your nail so that the colors flow into one another a little bit. If you find there's too much color on the nail, what you can just let that color drip down on your paper towel to absorb some of the excess water. And that's it. Once you're done, you want to make sure you wait a few minutes for this to completely dry. Make sure the water is completely dry. You're going to top coat. I would do about 2 coats of top coat just to make sure that it's nice and sealed and it encapsulates the design really, really well. And that's what you have. Once you've top coated, this is what your design looks like, and you can see how alive it becomes once you put the top coat on. So every nail is slightly different, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you all in my next tutorial. Bye for now.